What is up, everybody? So, as we all know, DJI released some new stuff yesterday, April 11th, because today is April 12th. I ordered the DJI AVATA 2, the fly more combo, so I can get, joysticks, the 3 batteries, and some other goodies. I believe it comes with a carry case. We've got that. So let's get to it, guys. Flymore combo does bring 3 batteries. So let's see what's inside the box. There it goes. All right. Ooh. So upon opening it, it does state to scan the QR code before first use. So you install the DJI Fly app. All right, now that's a big bag. All right, nothing else in that one. It's a big boy. All righty then. Here it is. I can show you guys. Nothing small about it. It's got a nice little shoulder strap with a little tie down. Comes right off. Toss that out. Here it is. Padded shoulder strap. All right. Let's get to it, boys and girls. Okie dokie. So in here, you've got something. You've got some propellers. As you can see, they are labeled A, B. There is, don't know if you can see that, some screws in there. Put that aside. What are these? You've got some cables, as you can see there. A little manual with some stickers. You know we all love stickers. And what looks to be some more accessories. We'll go ahead and open that up as well. Let's first get everything out of the bag. Got a Allen key. Show you that one right there. And that's about it for in there. It's the accessories pouch. Go ahead and close that bad boy up. Oh, and here she is. Alrighty then. So here's your drone. Batteries installed. Got your cover on it. It is small. I would say it's about the size of your palm, give or take. A little bigger. Put that aside for now. In here you've got what looks to be the goggles. These are the new goggles. Some nice padding, as you can see. So this is very flimsy, and it's also padded there as well. Now, I am a first-time FPV pilot. Here comes this battery little dock. Got 2 more batteries here. They are dead as can be. Very nice. And your USB-C goes in here. Super cool, compact. And here is the joystick, as we all know. Got the joystick. Little knob on the side, record button. There. Don't know what this is. Powered on this side. USB-C charge port. All right. Nothing else seems to be inside. Toss that over to the side over there. Toss that out. All right, so here we've got a little string, security string for the joystick. Oh yeah, let's go ahead and open up the controller here. I bought the controller just because don't know how I felt about the joystick, but we shall see. This is separately. It is in USA. It is $199 on Amazon. So I believe here you would have, yep, a little Allen key, some instructions. I don't think there's anything else in the box. No. Let's go ahead and open this up. A little sticker and the other stuff. And here is your controller 3. The inside you've got your joysticks, USB-C port. Here you can go ahead and put it in a lanyard. Very responsive. Instead of now the flip up antenna, you do have it built in here. Return to home, pause button, normal, I would assume sport, and manual mode. And you can also adjust these. Picture record, start stop, and then you have a knob here. Huh. Alright, so let's see what else is in this bad boy. Here's a drone. You've got some sensors there. From what I remember seeing online, you've got, nope, those aren't sensors there. You got the rear sensors back here. Battery easily comes out. Wow. You can definitely tell that the weight is right here. Slide the bad boy back in. There's your camera. Do not touch the air intake to avoid burn. So assume you don't touch these little fins back here. Slide this right back over for now. So it clips on. Yep, there it clips on. Here are the goggles for a little closer look. Oh, these do flip up. You got the cameras now, so you can use it for picture-in-picture. So now, instead of some creepy dude pulling up on you and not knowing what's going on the outside, you would just be able to, I believe you tap here or you tap somewhere, and it shows you the picture-in-picture or what's in front of you per se. Got some adjustment knobs down here. It is very light. Unfortunately, it does feel a little cheap, but it's good. You got tight, loosen. That goes there. Let's see what it brings in these little baggies. In here, you've got USB-C to USB-C cables. I must have now 6,000 of them. You've got an Allen key. In here, looks like you have some extra stuff for the goggles. Yeah, so it's got a, what is this? Let's open it up. It's a USB to USB-C dongle. Not sure what it's for. I've never used a DJI AVATA. I've had the Air 2 and the first Air and the DJI Mavic Pro 2. So this will be my first time with an FPV. I do know that DJI states certain things on their website with this drone. They say that each battery gives you roughly 23 minutes. In the later video, I will put that to the test and let you guys know. Tomorrow we'll be going out to Lauren's parents' property and flying it around, see how long it actually does fly for. I will be going through a lot of training on a simulator for now, just because I've never flown with one of these before and I don't want to wreck it, even though I probably will. Get DJI Care. The cost to replace this, if you do crash it or break it or lose it, is $200 USD, I believe. I know to repair it, it's just $50 USD, so it's well worth the $99 for the 2 years, so do it. because if not, this is, I believe, $459 to get a new one of these. All right. So in a future video, shouldn't take too long, I will be going ahead and doing a test on the drone itself. I'm going to see how fast it goes. I'll let you guys know. I'm going to see what the actual battery time is on each and every single battery I have here. I'm hoping that they can charge fast enough so that when you use one up, you can put it in, use one. By the time you use two, you should at least have halfway of the first battery. I don't know. I'll put it to a test and let you guys know in a later video. I do hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Let's see what this thing can do. Take care, guys.